Hey guys, welcome to the workout. Today we got 4 minutes of lower body. I want you to find 2 bottles, maybe in your pantry. I've got 2 bottles of jelly in my hand. And we're going to start with calf raises, okay? I want your toes pointing outward, and we're just going to do 10 calf raises with toes out. Then we're going to point our toes in and do 10 calf raises with toes in, okay? We're getting both the inner and the outer part of the calf muscles, okay? We're hitting it all. All right, next we're going to do lateral kickouts, okay? So I'm just holding those bottles against my legs and I'm just kicking out one leg and then I'm kicking out the other leg, okay? This is also working on my balance, okay? We're going 20 reps here, kind of like we're doing 10 reps on each leg, 20 total. All right, good job, guys. Way to get this workout in today. All right, next we're going to do in-out squats. That means I'm going to step out to the side with my right and squat, and then I'm going to step out to the side with my left and squat. Good job. Okay, we're going to keep this going for 12 reps total. All right, good job, guys. Just keep this going strong till you get to 12 reps, 12 total, kind of like we're going 6 each way. All right, next we're going to do glute kickbacks, okay? So see how I'm kind of pointing my right toe outward and I'm just kicking my leg back, okay? So it's important to point that toe out and just kick back. We're going 10 kickbacks on each leg, all right? This is also working on some balance here as well. All right, good job, guys. Way to keep this going strong. Perfect. Good job. Okay, next we're going to do deadlifts. This is a straight-legged deadlift, okay? I'm holding those bottles as close to my legs as I can, and I'm just coming down as far as I can, what feels comfy, and then I'm just going to come right back up. And notice how I'm keeping my back nice and straight as I come down. My chest is out so that my back stays straight, and I have a very slight bend in my knees, just so they're not locked out. We're going 15 reps there. All right, good. Now we're going to forward back lunges. That means I'm going to lunge forward, then I'm going to lunge back, okay? So I'm going to go forward and then back, and then forward again and then back. I'm doing 10 here. Okay, I'm doing 10 on one leg, and then I'm going to go and switch to the other leg and do 10 on that side. I tried to give you another view here at just a little bit different angle so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going forward and then back, okay? Perfect. Good job, guys. You're going to feel this in the quads and the glutes, just really the whole leg. Quads, hamstrings, and glutes. All right, perfect. Next, we're going to go down to the floor. And I'm going to hold those bottles on my hips, and I'm going to do a one-legged glute raise, okay? So this is very isolating on the hamstring, especially. You're going to feel that a lot in the hamstring, but you're going to feel it in the glutes as well. And we're just going to go 10 on each leg. All right, good job, guys. Perfect. Now we're going to do crossover lunges, okay? So I'm just crossing over, coming back, then I'm going to cross over with the other foot and come back. Crossover and crossover. Good. All right. Perfect. Okay, so this is kind of a strange number, I know, but we're going to go 18 reps on this, okay? Kind of like we're doing 9 each way. So we're going to a total of 18 reps on these lunges. Okay, and this is good. This is also working on your balance, but you'll really feel this all through the legs. All right, good job, guys. Way to switch it up a little bit with just some of these different types of exercises. Okay, we're going to finish off with jump squats, okay? So I want you to squat down and then jump up as high as you can for 10 reps, all right? Okay, good job, guys. Way to work today. Go out and make it a great day.